What's up guys, it's me Geek. So if you own a PS Vita, especially the PlayStation Vita 1010, here the red case unboxing for you and my review on it. Yes, this is a PlayStation Vita hard case which you can get in black, purple, yellow or blue, but I bought in red. So jump to the unboxing table. So here is my unboxing and a review of the PS Vita 1000 red hard case. Okay, let me put it on my PS Vita. Vita, 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 Vita. Okay, here we go. Yo man, now it's look beautiful. Yo homie, it's looking beautiful and sexy, isn't it? Okay, yeah, okay, I understand why it's not closing fully. Let me open it again. Come on. Okay, I need to take out this strap. Yes, I need to take out the strap first. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, here is the strap out. Now let me put inside like this. Yeah, now look beautiful, you see, so much beautiful and sexy case. And now let me put the strap inside. Okay, again 1 minute. Okay, here we go. I am loving the PS Vita so much. Okay, come on, come on, it's not closing that easily. Come on. Okay, finally it's done. Not yet, not yet. Yeah, now look at the beauty of this case. I mean, look at it by yourself. Look at the beauty of it. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Can I recommend it? Definitely yes. It was me, your Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.